It is called a miracle drug. It can halt, even reverse, a rare disease that slowly destroys all the muscles in the body. It is also one of the most expensive drugs in the world. And people with SMA, spinal muscular atrophy, fear that a pending decision in this country means they will never be able to access the only hope they have.
I was actually diagnosed on my first birthday. My parents were told by sick kids that there was no hope, there was no treatment, there was no cure. The biggest challenge with having SMA is knowing that each day you're going to be weaker than the last and not knowing what the future holds for you.
But for the first time in her life, 21-year-old Victoria Lacey was given hope. And this is what it looks like. Spinraza, a drug that has shown astonishing success.
Great job!
Take Sophia Gall. Her parents were told she would be in a wheelchair by the time she was 4.
Whoops. Upsie. Upsie. Come on up.
Her muscles could barely hold her up.
Daddy,
Yeah.
everything's not sore. Everything's okay.
A week after her initial shot of Spinraza at sick kids,
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
she was able to ride a bike for the first time. And look at her now. She turned 5 this month.
Good job.
Her parents say her decline has stopped and she is growing stronger. But Spinraza comes with a crushing cost. $750,000 US in the first year and $375,000 after that, every year, for life. Sophia is one of the lucky ones. She's getting the drug through her father's health insurance. Victoria is still waiting for her miracle, but hope is diminishing. Health Canada approved Spinraza for use almost 2 years ago, but the Canadian Agency for Drugs and Technologies in Health, CADTH, an independent body that determines if provinces should cover the costs of new drugs, has recommended only patients with the most severe form of SMA, type 1, should be able to have it covered, citing cost and the need for more evidence. Victoria has type 2.
Before Spinraza was FDA approved and then Health Canada approved, I almost came to terms with it, that this is just the life that I've been faced with, because there was no hope. There was nothing that could help me. But now that there is, and the fact that I can't access it, I think is way more emotionally draining than it was even before there was a treatment, because now I know that there's something out there that can help me, and I just can't access that.
43 countries have approved coverage for Spinraza for all types of SMA and all ages. Quebec made its own decision to cover Spinraza for all patients as well. Biogen says through negotiations, the cost for the drug has come down significantly. It has appealed the CADTH recommendation, and a final decision is expected March 1st.
My progression has been quite rapid. In my first year of university, I lost the ability to type on my laptop. With Spinraza, what I have now will never get worse. It's scary not knowing what your future holds without treatment.
Biogen tells me there are approximately 500 people in Canada living with SMA. There are currently at least 2 other treatments in the testing stages for SMA. However, it could be years before they're on the market.